What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're talking about the brand new Motorola Edge 70, one of the thinnest and most surprising flagships of 2025. It's sleek, powerful, and actually priced to compete, so let's hit the highlights fast. Right away, this thing's stunning, just under 6 millimeters thin with a matte glass back and aluminum frame. It feels premium, not fragile, and it's IP68 water resistant. Up front, you get a 6.7-inch POLED display, 165 Hz refresh rate, and insane 4500 nit brightness. It's smooth, vivid, and easily one of the best screens Motorola's ever made. Inside, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chip, up to 12 GB RAM, and Motorola's clean MyUX on Android 15. Everyday use feels instant. Multitasking, gaming, editing, zero lag. And with Ready For and AI features built in, you get real flagship performance without the clutter. Camera setup, a 50-megapixel main, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and 12-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom. Photos are sharp, colorful, and consistent, especially in daylight. Video hits 8K 30 FPS, and the 32-megapixel selfie camera is crisp for vlogs or social posts. Despite being ultra slim, you get a 4800 milliamp battery with 125-watt fast charging. That's a full charge in about 20 minutes, plus wireless and reverse charging too. Easily lasts a full day, no charger anxiety here. So, should you buy it? At around $699, the Motorola Edge 70 gives you flagship looks, top-tier performance, and crazy fast charging, all in a phone thinner than a pencil. It's not perfect, but for 2025, it's the most impressive Moto yet. If you enjoyed this quick review, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, would you pick the Edge 70 over a Galaxy or Pixel? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.